This week is a 2-module week. The good news is both of the modules are very easy and will build on prior projects. So um, honestly, these should not take you hours and hours and hours because you're starting with code that you already built. I just want you to copy it into a new assignment, make the modifications for these 2 modules, and call it a day. So don't get sidetracked. Don't go on side quests. Just keep going through these. And doing that will allow you some extra time to work on stuff that you're still working on from previous modules, which is a good thing. Um, so you may want to devote your time to working on previous modules and then do these because these absolutely will build on previous modules. So today we're going to talk about error handling. And error handling is a really great thing to build into your programs because it prevents your programs from crashing when there's an error. And I notice that I'm not saying your program's crashing if there's an error. There will be errors. Errors are a part of your life. If you're programming, you're going to get errors. Don't think of them as failure. Think of them as a message for how to get better, right? And so if interpreting that message is part of it. If you don't know how to interpret the message, then how are you supposed to get better?